Hello guys, greetings of the day. I am Dr. Gaurav Gupta from Chikitsa Dental, and once again I am here with another educational video for you all. This video is not about any dental treatment or dental procedure. I'll just share with you little knowledge about the powered brushes, which we also call motorized brushes or electric toothbrushes. These electric toothbrushes have been widely touted, and indeed they can be very effective when used consistently with proper technique. However, you can achieve similar good results with proper use of manual toothbrushes also. Electric brushes resembles the professional cleaning tools that your dentist often uses in their practice. These brushes use variety of motions, back and forth, up and down, rotation, and nowadays we have few electric brushes which also features 3-dimensional rotational pattern. And some latest brushes work on high speed vibration of individual bristles rather than the movement of the toothbrush head as a whole. This increases the efficiency to remove the plaque and debris from your tooth surface. All kind of electric brushes seems equally effective when they are used correctly with proper technique. Some studies have found that people who use an electric toothbrush remove more plaque initially, but later the novelty of these electric toothbrush fades and brushing habits of individuals drop off gradually. The people who get the most benefit from electric toothbrushes are those who have trouble reaching all the corners and all areas of their mouth. For example, power brushes are useful for people with braces fixed on their teeth. It's useful for the parents who brush their kids' teeth themselves, and for the individuals with mental or physical disabilities that impair dexterity. The thicker handle of these powered brushes is also a plus point for people who are suffering from arthritis, who have difficulty grasping the thinner shaft of the manual brushes. So guys, my closing statement for today is that though powered brushes are a bit costly as compared to the manual brushes, but they are worth buying if we look at the advantages they offer. Goodbye guys, eat healthy, stay healthy, and take very good care of yourself. Thanks a lot for listening to me.